am showing you the digital kitchen timers. Came in a set of 2. I only took one out of the pack for now. I don't need to open both of them right this second. They take one AAA battery. Just put that in. And to set them, you just press minutes or seconds. I'm just going to do 5 seconds here quick so we can see how it counts down. That's a pretty loud alarm too, and it has a volume adjustment over here, so if you don't want it quite that loud, you can turn it down. To clear it, you just hit the minute and second button at the same time. On the back it has a little clip that you can fold out so you can stand it up. It also has magnets so you can hang it on the refrigerator or on the cabinet. And there's also a little hook here that you can hang it. There is no on-off switch, so if you don't want it to be constantly on, you'll have to take the battery out when you're not using it. I don't find that they use that much power though, so I tend to just leave my battery in because I use these frequently. This one will be going in my kitchen. I use one in my clay studio for my clay ovens, but this one will be going out in the kitchen. And this one will just be my take along. If I'm outside on my patio room and I have things going inside, I'll have this one outside with me so I know when it's time to either take clay out of the oven or food out of the kitchen oven. It will go up to 99 minutes and 59 seconds. And I'm looking. You can set a memory. It does have a memory, which is nice. And trying to think. I think that I do like how big it is. And I really love how loud this is. That is just fantastic how loud it is. Most of them are so quiet you can't hear them. I do wish I had an on-off switch, but they don't. Overall, though, it's a really nice little timer. The volume control on it is the really high point for me. I love that it has a nice loud alarm. Some of them are so quiet. Nice big buttons, nice big letters or numbers. And I like how you have the options of magnet, stand, or hanging. So that's the kitchen timer set, the 2-pack. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you next time.